Hello everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So today in this lecture we'll explain you duct offset shortcut trick. Okay, so let's see. Here I have drawn the one ducting layout. You can see in the 3D view also. So if you want, here our main target is to show you the duct offset shortcut trick in section view or in a floor plan view also. So first of all you need to split the duct. Simple. To split the duct, what you need to do, come here in the modify tab, modify panel. Here you would be able to see the split element option. Just select it, okay, and split it from where you want. Suppose here I have split it. Now just select it and delete it. Okay, here also just delete, and then you can just delete this one, no problem. Just select this duct, right click, draw duct option is available. You can draw the duct at 45-degree angle like this. Okay, same way here also you can do the same thing, right click, draw duct and draw it at 45-degree angle, means 135, and then connect it. Here you can see, here we have given the offset. Even the next method is what, suppose if you don't want this straight duct, directly you want to split, okay, that option is also available. Just remove it, select and place it here exact, and then remove this one, this fitting and this. Now what you can do, from here you can do one thing, just select this and place it here. Okay, now you can see here we have, you would be able to see how we have given the offset. Now suppose if you want, here one thing we have done, just press the Ctrl Z. See, after removing this, you can do one thing. Instead of just moving here, you can use align command. Just select it. Okay. Otherwise, just you can use the move command. Move it. Specify the end point and move it here. Directly you can connect. See in 3D view. Okay. So this is the second method. Now press the Ctrl Z. Now I will show you how to just do the duct offset in section. Okay, so here you can see this is the ducting layout. Just I am creating one section layout here. Just hit on this, and now I want to see in section. Right click, go to view. See, hit on fine and shaded view. Where it is, see, you would be able to see the duct. So here what you can do, you can split the duct first thing, okay, either in the floor plan or in the section also it is possible. Just press the Ctrl. Now you can just delete this, drag it and delete it. Okay, now I don't want this part, remove it. Now simply just select, right click on drag point, draw duct option and draw the duct at 45-degree angle. Okay, same way from here also, select, right click, draw duct, draw the duct at 135 and then you can connect it. If you don't want, just you can change the offset length as per your requirement. See how we have offset. Okay, so in section view also it is possible and in floor plan view. So this is all about duct offset shortcut trick. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.